Welcome to Video Revealed, a rising YouTube channel about video editing and media creation. I'm Colin Smith and I've been creating media for over 30 years. And before Video Revealed, I was at Adobe for 17 and a half years, and I was taking care of big media giants like Sony Pictures, 20th Century Fox, Broadcast Television, ABC, NBC, CBS, Associated Press, Washington Post, and your favorite sports, NASCAR, ESPN, and I've even trained the Coen brothers on learning about Premiere Pro. Now, the one thing that every one of these companies wanted from me was they wanted the highest quality, highest caliber training they could get. And guess what? That's what you get here on Video Revealed YouTube channel. The same caliber, the same quality. I'll show you how to edit videos in Premiere Pro, create audio in Adobe Audition, graphics in Photoshop and Illustrator, and my tips and tricks from 30 years in the business. I've helped thousands of users, from completely enthusiastic beginners who I love, to grizzled veterans that have been around for years but are struggling with learning something new. And the reason why Video Revealed is so successful is I show you the things the manual is missing. At least I think it's what is missing. And I teach you about the why, because the why is infinitely more important than just having a place where somebody tells you how to push the buttons. So have a look around. There are over 400 video tutorials that we're adding to all the time here. Have a look around. Reach out to me, let me know if there's something that you want to learn, and I'll put it on the list. I've got a giant list of tutorials that are coming. And I'm sure after you look at all of these tutorials, you'll agree with the over 100,000 subscribers that Video Revealed is a great place to learn.